Usefulness of farm animals.
Welcome, Mr. Roy.
Hi! Welcome to my birthday party, Mr. Roy. Let me introduce you to all my friends. This is Becky, Rick, Honey, and Silky.
Hi, all.
Let's play a game now. Let's each of us speak about the role they play at our farm. We will pass a ball to each other while the music plays at the background. The point where the music stops with an animal with the ball decides that animal to speak up. Hi everyone, I'm Martha, the cute cow. I love to eat the green grass of the farm and I gave a lot of milk in turn. Hi, I'm Becky, the pretty hen. I love to eat worms and grains and give eggs.
Hi, people. I am Rick, the sleepy sheep. I love to eat green grass and give wool in return.
Hi, I'm Silky, the sweet silkworm. I give silk to the world. Isn't that awesome?
Hi there, I am Roy, the handsome horse. I love to eat hay and carry people and goods from one place to another.
Hi, people. I am Honey, the tiny bee. I make, guess what? Honey.
Wow, that was great, everyone. I hope that was quite enough facts for you guys to remember today. We leave you here to think of the usefulness of other farm animals like us.